In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music or an audio player to Notion in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a Notion newbie or a seasoned user, adding music can bring your pages to life, making them more engaging for personal use or team collaboration. So let's dive right in and walk through each step together. First, you'll want to open up Notion on your computer. If you haven't already logged into your account or created one, you'll need to do so to get started. Once you're in, navigate to the page where you'd like to add your music. You can do this by selecting an existing page or creating a new one. It's entirely up to you depending on your needs. Now that you've selected or created your page, you'll want to type in a new block command to make room for your audio. Simply type a / followed by the word audio and then press enter. This command lets Notion know you're about to add an audio file. After that, you'll see a menu pop up, offering you a variety of options related to audio management. Among them, there should be an option labeled Upload. This is where you can bring in your own music file from your device. So go ahead and click on Upload. This action will open up a file dialog on your computer, prompting you to choose the file you wish to add. Navigate through your folders, pick your desired audio file, and select it for uploading. Once you've done that, Notion will take it from there. The platform will start uploading your chosen file, and it doesn't just stop there. Notion converts it into a native audio player right there on your page. This feature allows you to play, pause, and manage your audio directly from your workspace without needing any external players or tools. For those of you who are looking to embed an audio link rather than uploading a file, Notion has got you covered too. An embed option is readily available for such needs. Simply copy the link to your desired audio from its online source and paste it into Notion. Once pasted, click on the Embed button, and just like that, your music is added to the page. So whether you're uploading directly from your device or embedding a link from the web, Notion makes it quite straightforward to integrate audio into your space. This enhanced functionality can help make your Notion environment more vibrant and user-friendly. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully added music to your Notion page. It's an excellent way to enhance your workspace and make your pages more dynamic. Thanks for watching, and happy Notioning!